Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y01, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up here my face recognition, and as can you see I can unblock the device with my face, and now I'll just make a 5 of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how just fast and useful this unlock method is on our Vivo device. So let's start. I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position. So let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works really fast, and I just can unlock the device less than in 1 second. So look, 1. So I think that's the face unlock method good works here on our device. And for example, if you don't like some methods like the pin code, passcodes, you can try the face unlock method here on our device. So for example, as can you see, to unlock the device with the pattern is take a little bit more time than just to use the face unlock. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.